You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this winery, you're located in Rioja, and it's of course a Rioja wine, Crianza, Reserva, Gran Reserva. So locally in Spain, it is said as Marques de Caceres. Caceres. You want to stress on the first syllable of Caceres. Marques de Caceres. Now, in English you can say it as Marques, not Marquis, Marques de Caceres. Marques de Caceres. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.